Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something super exciting to share with you. Inside this box is a device that feels like it's straight out of the future. It's Temi, the personal robot.
Hello, my name is Temi.
Temi is an amazing personal robot with autonomous mobility and navigation, and it even has Amazon Alexa built right in. So in this video, we're going to unbox Temi, and I'll be having some fun with my kids while we do it. Look at this! Temi also has a 10-inch Full HD screen that's super interactive. You can control everything right from here. But before we start interacting, we need to set it up. Don't worry, it's really easy. Just connect to your Wi-Fi and follow the simple step-by-step instructions. And we're done. Temi is all set up and ready to have some fun. Let's go, Temi! Temi is an intelligent home assistant robot that responds to your voice.
Hi Alexa, how's the weather today?
The weather is 30 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect thunderstorms with a high of 30 degrees and a low of 26 degrees.
Thanks to its AI, it can autonomously navigate around your home with 16 different cameras and sensors, ensuring it never bumps into you. My kids are having a blast playing with Temi. And it's not just fun, it's educational too. Temi can help them learn anything from math to general knowledge.
3 plus 1 is 4.
Hi Alexa. What
Sorry, I didn't get that. 25 plus what?
45 plus 10.
25 plus 25 plus 10 is 60.
Okay, great. Hi Alexa,
Hi Alexa.
what is the capital city of Indonesia?
The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta.
Whoa! Hi Alexa. What is the capital city of Japan?
The capital of Japan is Tokyo.
Yeah, very good.
And that's not all. Temi can also play music, start video chats, take pictures and videos, and even patrol your house to make sure everything's good. Plus, it can check on your kids when you're away. Oh, and check this out. T even has a little tray that doubles as a wireless charger. When Temi's done, it automatically returns to its charging base. How cool is that? It just goes home on its own to charge whenever you're not using it. This is really amazing, guys. The future is going to be incredible with technology like this. Actually, the future is already here. Having my own personal robot like Temi is something I would have only dreamed of as a child. And now it's a reality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.
Temi, the personal robot. You at the center.
Temi.